Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey little artists! Today we're going under the sea to draw something super fun. A cute little seahorse. So grab your markers and let's get started.
Okay.
Let's start with the snout. That's the nose part of our seahorse. Now I draw an oval and a nice curvy shape for the body.
Amazing.
Looking good.
Wow!
Next, let's add a big round eye and a fun crown shape on the head. That's called a coronet. Time to draw the dorsal fin. That's the little fin on its back. I'm drawing some bubbles in front of our seahorse. Wow!
Yay!
The drawing is complete. Now it's time to make it colorful. Let's go. I start with a soft light blue for the body.
Whoa. Wow. That's amazing.
Then I grab my maroon marker for the snout. For the coronet, I pick a bright orange, and I use the same orange for the dorsal fin too.
Wow!
Next up, I color the keel with red, and to finish it all off I use red again to color the bubbles. Woo! So bright and cheerful.
Yeah!
Great job, artists! We've finished coloring. Now, I carefully go over the lines again with my marker to highlight and clean it up. Our seahorse is looking amazing.
Yes!
Thanks for drawing with me today on Tiny Hands Art. If you had fun, don't forget to give a big thumbs up.
Okay.